Now let's find value to these functional notations to find the gradient of the chord A, B. Alright, okay. Starting with x1. x1 is going to be 1 because we are finding the gradient of the chord A, B. So what is our f of x1 going to be? Our f of x1 is going to be x1 squared with respect to this f of x is equal to x by comparison f of x1 is equal to x1 squared. Okay, wherever we now see x1, we're going to put 1. Right, it's going to be x2 squared. Okay, thank you. Meaning that wherever you see x2, you're going to insert your 3 there. Also, we are going to find the square root of that 3. Sorry, this f of x2 is not going to be 3, that will be here. Alright, so we're not going to be put 3 here as well. Then 3 squared is going to give us 9. Okay, quite easily done. Now we're not going to find the gradient of our chord since we have known the value for our functional notations. Okay, let's go there. Now the gradient of the chord AB is going to be equal to, the space is too small, let's write it here. So f of x3 has already been found, which is 9, same as f of x1, which is 1, same as x2, which is 3, and same as x1, which is 1. Now let's insert these values here. F of x2 is 9 and f of x1 is 1. So x2 is 3 and x1 is 1. Now 9 minus 1 is going to give us 8. 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. And 8 over 2 will give us 4. Quite easily done. Now we have finished the gradient of the chord AB we are asked to find. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please don't forget to subscribe below. Alright, so thanks very much for today. But before we go, let me give you some exercise to go and try on your own. Thank you. This is okay. Yeah, this exercise 1.1 for the f of x is equal to x. So showing in figure 1.3. This figure 1.3 for the same function f of x is equal to x squared. This is serve as an example for AB, for the gradient of the chord AB. So we are using this to solve it for our exercise. They say you should find the gradient of the chord AC. That is to say, you're going to find the gradient of this chord AC and also the gradient of the chord AD. Alright, we are going to find the gradient of this chord AD as well. And they also ask you that if A is the point of the curve 1.5 and f of 1.5, then find the gradient of the chord AE. Also, as well, if f is the point of the curve 1.2 and every 1.2, you have to find the gradient of chord AF. These are the exercises. With so much appreciation for viewing this. Okay, we are going to meet next week. Please, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe below. If you try this exercise, make sure you submit it before next week class, because after that we may or we may not be able to answer your reply. Okay, all right, see you next week. Love you.